My name is Laurie Pringle. I live in Riverview, New Brunswick. Moved out here from the Greater Toronto area in 2022. So normally I would be spending $300 a month every month, and I haven't paid anything. So thus far I've saved about actually more than $900 in 3 months. So thus far I've saved well over $1,200 since April. I mean, they're up there and they go. So everything seems to be working fine thus far. I get responses almost instantly. There's a wonderful team at XOLAR who has been very responsive to me, and Lauren is a rock star. I reviewed about 4 different companies, and it becomes really challenging to sort of differentiate because there's a lot of similarities and a lot of technical talk, but what really mattered to me was that the product was good, reliable, and that the company behind that product was going to back it up with a warranty, with a maintenance plan, with somebody to help me negotiate the different rebate programs. There's a lot of moving parts in moving to solar, and I really felt not lost, but overwhelmed at times by it. And so I really felt like XOLAR simplified things for me, made me feel comfortable, and throughout the process, they reinforced that for me. I worked with great people. Lauren, who I still email every now and then with odd questions, and she's always quick to respond and put me in touch with the right person. And that really matters. When you're making an investment this significant, you want a company who's going to treat you well, not just while you're making the purchase, but after the fact. Well, it was ridiculously simple. The product arrived on a specific day. We just had to set most of it, stayed outside. We had to bring a few things inside. And then installers came in. They put everything on the roof. Installed the inverter off to the side, hooked it up to our Wi-Fi. All I had to do was download the app on my phone, and every day I get to look at it and see how much money I'm saving and how much money I'm banking, so that in the winter I will be paying less for electricity even on snowy days. Absolutely, everything's run smoothly. There was one day where my app didn't show anything, and all I had to do was restart my gateway, which I could do with the Rogers app, and everything began to go again. I think it was actually a hiccup on the Rogers side, and everything worked fine. So everything's been working smoothly. Every question I've had after the fact has been answered. It's really, such a simple thing. I wish I'd have done it sooner. Just want to thank everybody at XOLAR for making this as painless as possible, thanks to the freedom that these solar panels will provide me.